What's good with y'all? About to give y'all a little POV of the Stugan, you feel me? This is 2011. Yes, I got the reindeer nose, I don't give a fuck. It's 2011 V6. So it is a 3.7 liter. It got it just got a cold air intake, so it's nothing, it's damn near stock. But high flow cats to an X pipe into boiler S type. 30 degrees outside, but maybe 40 because I'm wearing a hoodie. But I started my car up earlier and it's not gonna be as loud, but it should be cool enough. I'm gonna give y'all a little cold start and I'm gonna just take y'all along with me. I'm about to go to the bowl now, so it's like a 15-minute drive. Alright, bruh. I got my back windows out for y'all, so it's cold as fuck. Y'all see it's a little icy and shit, but I want y'all to hear this motherfucker, like low key. I got a manual, my fault. I got an automatic, but I drive that bitch in manual because it sound way better. Am I ever gonna get a manual? Maybe when I had two of these motherfuckers. I'm about to get a Corvette next. And I'll really explain why I want a Corvette instead of a GT, because y'all know I was a GT lover. Plus you kinda gotta wait till this bitch like heat up a little more so it can reach its max potential. So this ain't like, that's not really shit. Only these back windows is down, so keep that in mind. I may roll down these just for like a little, look, just for a little second. This is probably windy though. But yeah, it got a little flame to it, you feel me? But I'm gonna really catch y'all when I hit the freeway, because that's when like y'all can really hear it and shit. And the car be fully warmed up. Plus I want to listen to music a little bit, like shit, goddamn, you feel me? Nah, but let me tell y'all something about this exhaust a little bit. So when I'm cruising, right now I'm in second gear, but I can be as loud as I want. Like I'm talking about I can be heard from blocks away, but if I just put this bitch in drive, like say if I'm passing a cop, I put it in regular, or I can just be in third gear. You still hear it a little bit in third gear, because this is a 6-speed, so 3 out of 6 speeds is like fucking half. But you can't tell it's an exhaust on this bitch, like at all. So whenever I do pass a cop, boy, this motherfucker go right in D for daytime, and niggas is not even, bro, it don't even sound like nothing. Like I'm gonna show y'all this little takeoff right here. I'm not even gonna floor it, but just on some regular driving shit. So if you're really scared that you're gonna get a ticket for cutting your exhaust off, meanwhile I never got one. Even when I had my straight piped Impala, that bitch was loud as fuck at any RPM. Listen. Like, you not finna get pulled over with that shit at all, bro. Even when I was loud as fuck, just don't put your foot on the pedal when it's a fucking cop right there. Like, just chill. But yeah, that's all I had to say. Boiler is like the good way. I low-key wish I would've went attack, but I bought the car like this, so I can't wish nothing. I really, like, I didn't do shit to this car, bro. Bro, my camera was at 45%, and I was saying it's about to die. So this bitch can die at any moment. We may just switch over to the phone. Y'all hear that, though? Hold on, listen, bro. The echo, I'm gonna put you outside the window. It's gonna be windy as fuck though, but listen. I like it, I ain't gonna cap. I low-key wanted to go shorty headers, but like, bro, I'm not. That's the only thing I really need to have the best sounding exhaust on this car that you can possibly fucking get. But I don't want to put shorty headers on because I want to save all that money for the vet. Cause it's like I could buy them for 300. I know someone that's selling them for me for 300. Hold up, downshift on their ass real quick. I know someone that's selling them for me for 300, and then to put them on is like 700. I could just take that band and use that as a down payment on my fucking vet. Prime example, it's a Fed up there. Y'all see him? Y'all can't see him, but put this bitch right here. I'm chilling. I'm gonna put the camera down a little bit. I'm about to pass him in a second. Passing him right now. Oh, he got the radar going. He probably heard me from down the street, boy. It wasn't me. He ain't gonna know it's me. Passed his ass. He not. What the fuck, cop? Get a little tunnel action for these niggas, cop. Hold on, cop. What the fuck is you talking about? You hear him? Fuck, nigga. They in the pop though. Alright, we about to hit the freeway in a second. Yes, niggas was screaming in the mic. I don't give a fuck. Little tunnel action car. Damn. Here we go. I gotta put y'all in this hand though. Hold up. Damn! Boy, we sliding all day in this bitch. Damn! No, that first gear pull was crazy. Oh my God. It's cold as fuck, boy. I hope it's not too windy and y'all can hear this shit, bro. I'm gonna give y'all a second to third gear on some chill shit. Yes, I drive this bitch like it's manual. I told y'all, bro. But here we go. Hold up, check if it's any. Now we on the phone, bro. This shit crazy, but here we go. Little pull for y'all, you feel me? Damn, my shit died as soon as I was about to do a pull, bro. I don't even know where the fuck I'm going. I kind of just gotta go based off these motherfucking signs and shit, bro. This bitch loud as fuck. This only at 3 to 4K RPMs is where it's at its loudest for real. After 4K it sounds better. Like it's not as raspy. I gotta get over though. Listen, bruh. This bitch loud as fuck. Hold on, let me just hit y'all with a little downshift. Hold up. Let me wait a second, bruh. I'm getting too happy in this bitch. Nah, man, like, it's been so long since I drove my car, bruh. It's just never the same, bruh. And now I'm like, what the fuck? Now I'm like actually hearing how good it sounds. Damn. Nah, POVs on the phone might be better. I get a better, like, wide fucking whatever the fuck. Y'all want to hear the automatic though? Look, I got y'all, bruh. Even when you cruising, like, the drone is not bad at all. But when you want to hit it, it go like. You can see all the fucking wind flying off this bitch. I mean, all the snow coming off, bro. Nah, where the fuck do I go? Oh, I don't even know where I'm supposed to go, bro. I'm gonna just get over because I remember this shit being something. I gotta get over, cuz. I wish I did have paddle shifters. I would have been using them hoes. But in my Corvette, I have them. I plan on getting the LS2, I'm not gonna lie. So I've been doing hella research. Of course, the LS3 is better, but that shit is like 8K more. And I'm not gonna pay fucking 30 bands for a whip right now. That's just hella cheese. Oh shit, we about to get off. Alright, bet. Is it this street? 305, bet. But yeah, bruh, this shit chill. I wish y'all could just see like us with the gang, bro, because everybody got V8s now but me. And my nigga Nino, he got a, what's that shit called? A Focus ST. But that bitch stage 2, so his shit fast as fuck. They just waiting on me to get a V8, bruh. I'm not about to throw no money into this car. I would, but like, my desires is bigger than this V6, bro. It's a cool car. Not a shitty car. I'll make a video if it's worth buying. I'm gonna just tell y'all now. Y'all get this little sneak peek. I would say for the money, it's worth buying. Throw a little. I know someone that got this car with turbo, like with a turbo, and it ain't like nothing else done to it. No headers, no fuel, like nothing, bro. Just straight dead ass 93. I don't even think it got a 93 tune. I don't even think it has a 93 tune, bro. But straight dead ass stock, everything with a turbo. He making 600 wheel. I know someone that got a Pro Charger making 700 wheel. Shit is crazy as fuck. So I just don't like the sound, bro. I'm not gonna cap. I don't like the sound of the V6. It's cool. You can make it sound decent, but I'm not about to put all that into that shit when I can just buy a Corvette or a GT. But I'm buying the Corvette because the Corvette is better and they're damn near the same price. So I'm buying the Corvette. Long ass light, bro. All right, now we about to get to going, cuz. I'm dead ass damn near here, so I'm gonna just give y'all a little second gear loud, me being fucking loud. And then we gonna get up out of here, you feel me? Hope y'all did enjoy it. It's cool. I like it. Good ass starter car for some power, but you can get bored very easily, especially if your friends is going ham. I ain't gonna lie, I gotta take this bitch downtown, bruh. Let me know if y'all want to see a POV. Damn, oh, hold on, bruh. Damn. Let me know if y'all want to see a POV downtown where the fucking sound is bouncing off the buildings, cause like, this bitch sound nice, especially going uphill. It's like, y'all see. Hold on. Damn. Oh, I can still go. Oh, we good. Hit him with a one time. Damn, that was bad. This that fire.